All right, third graders, today you're going to need your math journal, and we're going to do journal page 46, math boxes. Remember that it's always good for you to try your math boxes on your own and then just correct them with me, okay? Because that way you can grow your brain and I'm not doing all the thinking for you and you can think for yourself. If there's one that you already get stuck on, then just leave that one and we'll go over it together. All right, so we're on lesson 2.7 and it says use addition or subtraction to complete these problems. So here's the number you start with. And this is what the number changes to. And they want to know how did we go from here to here? Okay, so I've done some highlighting for you. If you look, it goes from 100 to 800. So this is definitely a plus. Now look at the blue number is in the hundreds. It went from 100 up to 800. How do you get from 100 to 800? How many do you add from 1 to 8? What would you add to 1 to get to 8? 7. Now, if I only put 7 here, that means we would be adding 7 ones. This was the hundreds place. 100 has 2 zeros. That's why we put 700. All right, look here. The yellow number stayed the same. It's changing from the thousands place. So I know that 1,000 has 3 zeros. So now I want to know how many thousand. It goes from 4 to a 1. So I know that's minus. How many do you take from 4 to get down to 1? 4, 3, 2, 1. You take away 3. So our answer is 3,000. Look at the next one. It's again in the thousands. The thousand spot is the one that changes. So I know my answer is going to have 3 zeros because it's in the thousands. And it goes from 5 to 6. And that's adding how many? 1. 1,000. All right, look what happens here. The ones stay the same. The tens stay the same. It's the hundred place that goes from 6 to 3. So I know that's a minus. How do I get from 6 to 3? 6, 5, 4, 3. Now I can't just put 3. Think of the place value. It's in the hundreds. 100 has 2 zeros, so I needed to say 300. That is probably the hardest math box on this page today. All right, here is a rule. Now, in your book, it might say add 9. If it doesn't, you can write that. That is supposed to be the rule. All right, in you do the rule. So 4 plus 9. What is 4 plus 9? And the answer is 13. Out, you do the opposite. So instead of add 9, here you're going to take away 9 because it's in the out, and out we do the opposite. And here you end up with 3. Now you can go back and check your answer. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I have it right. 0, add 9, 9. Ooh, this one's in the out. See, the out, I have to do the opposite. So 21 minus 9 gets you to 12. And then make up your own. I always like to do, maybe I'll do, they already have 0, which is my favorite. So I'm going to put 9 because 9 plus 9 is 18. Your answer on that bottom one might be different than mine. All right, let's move right along. All right, whenever we get to these ones, they are asking for the value, not the words, the value. So the 1 is in the thousand spot. It is worth 1,000. These are key. They keep coming up. The 5, ones, tens, hundreds. It's worth 500. The 3 is in the tens. 3 tens gives us 30. The 2 is in the ones. It's just worth 2. This one is important. You know how to do that. All right, you needed to write 5 names for 1,000. So I gave you some examples. You might have something different, but I did 500 plus 500. I wrote the word 1,000. I did 999 plus 1, 1,001 minus 1, and 1,000 times 1. All right, so yours might look a little different, but they should all equal 1,000. All right, I'm going to get my highlighter ready for this one because I like to highlight the important details. Austin read his book for 45 minutes on Monday, 25 minutes on Tuesday. How many more minutes did he read on Monday? Oh, well, I know that this bigger box means the bigger number. So 45 goes in here. Okay, 45. That does not like to write. All right, let's switch my pen here. There we go. 45 is the bigger number. It goes here. 25. I saw the keywords how many more, so I know I have to find the difference. Sum means add, difference means subtract. I'm finding the difference between these two numbers. So 5 take away 5, 0. 4 take away 2, 2. He read 20 more minutes one day than he did the other day. All right, we're on our last one. How long is the fence around the flowers? 3, 4, 5. Which of these add up to 5? And 5 plus 5 is 10. Good job. Practice your math facts today.